Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to always appear online in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So Microsoft Teams will change your present status to away automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. So here are two methods to keep you available. So method number one is to create a custom status message. So to start, just open the web or desktop version of Microsoft Teams and then just click on your profile image at the top right. Then just click on Set Status Message in the drop down menu and then just enter a message to let your colleagues know that you're online. So after that, just check the box next to the show. Then people message me option. Then click done. So that's it. And now when colleagues message you, they will know that you're online and available. Now for the last method or the method number two is to use third-party software. So if you want to avoid the workaround in method number one, you can use third-party software to simulate mouse movement. So I recommend you guys a free application called Move Mouse. So the application can simulate mouse activity and keep your status showing as available in Microsoft Teams. So start by downloading Move Mouse from the Microsoft Application Store. And then once installed, just open the application and head to Actions. Just turn on Repeat and now go to the behavior and turn on the options for automatically stop when user activity is detected. And also automatically resume after 30 seconds of inactivity. And then once done, you can now close and Move Mouse will continue working if you go inactive for 30 seconds or more then. So the app will simulate activity to keep you available on Microsoft Teams. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.